Okay, thank you for joining us on our Zora video series. Today we're going to talk to you about the new Hydropool hot tubs, how to control the water. So water flow is all about diverting water through the water diverter flow valve, adding air through the air control valve, and then we also have a small waterfall control valve for some of the accessories. All right, so the largest dial on the hot tub, in terms of the largest diameter size, is going to be the water diverter. Now, this may or may not be an option on some tubs. Some tubs may not have it, some may have one, some may have two, depending on whether your tub's a Serenity or a self-cleaning series, gold or platinum. Now, what we're going to show today is the diverter control on a platinum tub, which means there's actually two of them on this tub. And you simply can rotate it either clockwise or counterclockwise. Now, you're going to find that if the tub is in the low power position, so pump on low speed, or pump is not on at all, it'll offer no resistance. This will be very easy to turn. If the pump's on high speed, you may actually find so much opposition to try and turn this that it's oftentimes necessary to turn the pump off before you can actually do this. What we're really doing is we're opening a valve inside or underneath this dial that's moving all the water pressure, let's say over to one side of the tub. We turn it in the other direction. It may move all the water to the other side of the tub. Or inversely, it may do just the foot jets, or it may do just a seat. It's going to be different on every model. But the idea behind this is pump on low speed or off to be able to make this adjustment. So in this frame, you're actually going to see all three controls, and it's a good example to show you the differences of the size. In diameter, smaller than the diverter we just talked about, which is the big one. There's actually going to be a fairly determining spot here that you can see where there's a water droplet. And the idea behind any of these controls is these caps are removable for cleaning, so you can pull them off and you can push them back on to clean below. If it has a water droplet on it, this means this is going to control water. So in this tub, it's going to move power from one half of the seat to another seat. Tubs that are equipped with the tranquility option, it may open or close up some of the waterfall controls that are located in the pillows. So waterfall for massage. Now at the same time then, similar size, but with circular dots, this is an air control. And so these dots are really resembling air bubbles. And as we open or close this control, it actually doesn't affect how much water is moving. It just blends air into the water. So as we add air to water, the water force becomes greater. We add granular bubbles to the water flow. It increases the amount of water movement, which gives you a much more granular or impressive hydraulic water impact. So the only thing to remember here is as you open and close your air controls, you're going to add air to the water. If we leave these open during the winter time, we're going to be adding cooler air to the hotter water, and that's essentially going to create more heating and more cost. So try and remember, if possible, turn your air controls off when your tub's not in use, turn the air controls on when you need them, and that'll save you some electricity.